Hi, everybody. It's Mary Ellen from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest for another episode of Teach Me Tuesday. I wasn't sure that I was going to be able to get on. I've been going since early this morning, so you just get me the way I am because the internet has been kind of curmudgeon-y. So I'm going to try to do this in like 5 minutes. I want to show you just some cute little tips and tricks that you may not have thought about, and maybe we'll make it into a card. I don't know. We're going to try. So I'm going to take you down to my desk. I have been working like crazy with this Country Floral Lane. So if you've been around my page, you know that we did Stamp It Your Way, our new program that I do with my friend Betsy, who lives out east. And we just finished that, and our video will go live tomorrow at 6 p.m. Central Time on my YouTube channel. So watch for it because I'm going to show you some things that Betsy shared with me that I thought were amazing, but I want you to see her final project. So, don't forget to do that. So we're going to work with, today, we're going to work with the two papers in this collection, and that's the Country Gingham 6x6 and the Country Floral Lane 12x12. We're going to work with the punch, some of the ribbon and embellishments. So I am really, really loving this. So last night we did our recording and Betsy showed a couple cards and I thought, oh, that's so adorable. And then she showed an idea and I thought, how clever is that? So for this card, all you're going to need is a card base, and I'm using Petal Pink, which matches the gingham paper. I'm going to go ahead and fold my card base in half. I'm not going to do any inside decorating or anything fancy. I'll save that for later. You guys know that I always like to finish my card. You'll just need a strip of the gingham paper that's about, it can be anywhere in the 4.5, 5 inch range, and this is 1.5 inches wide. So one of the cool things that Betsy showed is that she had showed a swap that she had gotten, and the person had taken this two-sided paper that's so beautiful, and they had flipped the paper. Whoops, I want to make sure I get this right. I think it was like this. I don't know. Let's see. I did it earlier. Now that I'm on, then of course I can't do it. I have a piece here somewhere. Well, let's just play around with it. So they had taken the paper and they had turned it. I think it was so that this point was like this. So that it looks like you've placed two different sheets of paper. I actually wanted it so the blue. Okay, just bear with me. This part is, Hi, Jan. Oh, my sound is going in and out. See, that's what I thought. I was afraid I had internet. I have internet issues. So anyway, still watch, and maybe you'll be able to see. So I thought this was one great tip. Take your paper and utilize both sides of your paper. Then you're going to use the punch, and this little trick here I thought was a wow. My friend punched out the heart. Just going to need two of them, just partially, so that you get the lobes, okay? Just this part here. And you're going to place these together. You can flip them however you want. And then you're going to put a little bit of adhesive along the back side of your paper right here, laying it down. And it's a really quick way to get a really interesting scallop. I thought that was fantastic. So if I was going to put this together, I would lay this on my card. I'm going to utilize this gorgeous designer series paper, the Country Floral Lane, and my punch. And I'm going to punch out one of these. See how nice it is that the paper and the punch and the paper go together. And then you would just lay it out however you wanted, just like so. So simple, quick card, utilizing some of the pieces in the paper, and a quick tip on using a scallop. Then you're gonna either add your bow, you could add a little greeting, but there's the card. It took me less than 4 minutes to introduce myself and do the card, and I thought it was super quick idea. So I know I have internet issues. My satellite is not working that great, but I hope that you got the gist of it. And if the sound didn't come on, I'm gonna go ahead and I can fix that sound. and repost it. So thanks for watching, Gianne. I will talk to you guys later. Hope that you'll use these tips in your card. And if you want to see the final one, watch tomorrow evening. It'll post on YouTube at 6 p.m. Central Time. And the sound will not go out on that one. Bye, everybody.